For the next few weeks on this channel, we're going to be doing something a little bit different, shifting the focus from physics to film. You might remember the SSFX, or Space Sound Effects project, challenged independent filmmakers to incorporate real sounds from space, which I do research into creative short films. Now's the chance to find out how that process actually went. Let's hear from Victor Galvão about his film Saturation.
I found some slides on a flea market, so I used these slides that's about surgeon, and I just sequenced the slides and had a fictional test. Their bodies were living too speed up, you know. They were living too fast, and they diseased very early because they are living too fast, like a tragic fictional sci-fi story. The narrative is such a creepy narrative, you know. It's about some kind of mysterious phenomena happening. And when I first started to edit the film, like a couple years ago, before I even knew what it was supposed to be, I thought it was something related to space, like alien menace to people on Earth, that was happening something that people did not know what was happening and what's supposed to be something from space. So the film was stopped for a while. I did not know what to do. And then I saw your call. Yes, that's what I need. I need something that's really from space that can use on my film. I thought, well, I have to be more tense. So I saturated the sound and make it more drone-like. I was interested by the fact you had to stipulate a time for the sounds to be hearable. So the time itself that make the sounds listenable is an issue that interests me a lot, because my film it's about time in an instance. So I was interested by the process itself of making the sounds hearable by stretching and compressing the time. And it's very related to the narrative I was seeking.
Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Something a little bit different from the usual. Physics videos will be returning very soon, so make sure, if you've not already, to subscribe and click on that notifications button so you don't miss out.